This is Emporia Smart.5, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, we will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called Caffeine, which will help us to achieve the goal that we set at the start of this video. So here is the app, so let's tap at the install button, wait for it to get downloaded and installed, which does not take a lot of time at all, and should be finished within 10 seconds or less. Then launch the app, and in here make sure that the timeout section has been set to the infinite value, and as long as you do not close the Caffeine app and it stays active at the background, so make sure to do that, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.